All right, in this video, we are going to learn the chord melody of the greatest song ever written, Let It Be by the Beatles. This is one you are not going to want to miss. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and I've played a lot of the song for you already just to get to this point right here. But this is my arrangement of Let It Be chord melody style. So what does chord melody mean? It means we're playing the melody and the chords at the same time. There'll be no singing in this one. There's really no like strumming either. It's going to be all really nice finger picking. So if this is something that's interest to you, this is the video for you. I appreciate you being here. If you like the tab, this whole arrangement that I did, and there's a killer backing track, killer backing track that we created as well. If you want that, you can get that two ways. One is our Patreon page, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. All my patrons get that. Two, become a platinum member, ukelikethepros.com, and you'll get that as well, including a challenge that we have right now with this song, Let It Be. So, all right, I appreciate you being here. Before we get started, we do give away a ukulele every single month right here on my channel. So to get that, you just got to subscribe to the channel. Might as well turn on that bell notification, and then also click the link below, which is the free sign up. That's all you got to do, and you're entered automatically win that free ukulele. Are you ready? All right, so let's dive into this thing. You can do this. This is in a key of C. This is Let It Be. This is the Beatles. All right, so that's the intro. This is really not a chord melody. It's just an intro, but I'm going to show you some cool chords. You know the chords in this song. There's only 4 chords, C, G, A minor, and F, but we're going to be doing a lot of them up the neck in order to get that melody. All right, you're also going to notice you could do this thumb, just strumming with the thumb, or you can do it more finger style with the thumb, index, and the middle finger. All right, it's going to be right here on a C chord. Just basically going to be 2 strums or 2 plucks on the C chord. Then you're going to go to a G chord. And this might be some new shape for you. A minor, and then F. Now, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah, third finger here. Keep this third finger on the second string, because when you get to the C chord and do the G, notice I got that. If you have to hit the open string, that's fine too. To the A minor, no, that third string, that's third finger still there, and then F. No, so all of those chords, you can keep that third finger down. By the way, I have a low G. This is my Koaloha, the Terry Carter Koaloha Black Label. If you need a ukulele or like Koaloha, check it out. Store.ukelikethepros.com, your #1 site for all your ukulele needs. All right, so you're going to do that. Then the second half of this is going to do that again. C, G, and then it's going to do this. And that's going to take us to the intro. And all that is so C and then G again. And then this little part, this is an F chord. C, G, and then a C chord right there. That's your intro. All right, now when we get to the melody here, the intro, check this out. Woo! Oh, man. Should I do it all? That's your verse. Matter of fact, that's the verse. You can keep doing verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, just like that. All right, so you're going to start right here. Remember, we just finished the C chord on our intro, and then we're going to hit this right there. Our finger's already there. Hit it twice. And then C chord, C, and then G. There it is. All right, just like that. So do it again with me. 1, 2, 3, All right, and then you're going to go to A minor and 5, that little bar there, 3, and then F chord. Then you hit this 3 right here, up to C, C sus 4. Yeah, it's okay. If you hit, after you hit the open G, that's all right, not a big deal. And then check this out. All right, these are double stops, so it's 7, 7, and if you droop your finger over, you can mute that second string. 5, 5, 5 again, and then 3, 3 here, and 4. And if you actually do just a C chord there, that's fine too. So let it be, and then I go. That's a little walk down, which is 1, 0, 2, 0, and you can do a pull off, and then C chord. All right, that's the verse. Okay, you want to do it with me? Let's do it. 3, 4. Come on now. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Okay, if that's fast, slow it down. Slow this video down. Slow it down and practice this without. Again, if you need the sheet music, this whole arrangement, it's got the tabs, it's got the chords. Ukelikethepros. Nope, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. That's where you can get it if you're a Patreon or over at my Platinum membership. All right, so that's the verse. Now, the second part of the verse is the same thing, except you just hit this first note one time. Da. If I do it slow. A minor up here. And same thing. All right, now, here's the key. Always hear that melody. Do not get lost in the melody. I hear a lot of arrangements out there for songs, and the melody gets lost. Maybe people get a little too complicated with arrangements or whatever, but you got to hear that melody the whole time for it. All right, so that's the verse. That's every time a verse comes up, you can do it. Now the chorus is this. A little fancy there. Now, you heard some unique parts because the second half of the chorus is just like the second half of the verse, okay? But the first part of the chorus here is, let's try. Let it, that's 7, 5, and A minor, and then 7, 10, and then this G. Ooh, that's a cool chord. Yeah, cool chord. And then you're gonna go. And that, what is that? 11, 10 twice, 7, 7, 5. And I like the slide there. To that, and then F, and then 5, 3 on the second string, and then C. And now this part right here is exactly the same as the second half of the verse, which is. And then a little double stop. All right, so you ready to try this with me? Remember, to do the chorus, we're coming out of this. 1, 2, 3. So it's let it A minor be. F and then you notice I just did a thumb on that one. Again, thumb or your fingers, whatever you want is totally fine. All right, now I'm going to throw the ending in for you. But you could just do that if you wanted to do the whole song, like verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. You would just do those same parts over and over again. All right, now the last part, which is the killer part, is going to be this. One more time, and. Which is the real ending from the song. All right, so what that is, this, and all these chords, except for, I think, 1 or 2, you've already know before. So it's F, C, G, and then this C. And then here's the new one, B flat, same as the C chord except down. And then F, G, but you got to stop right here on the second string. F, stop on the second string, and this C chord, which is only 4, 3, and 2. All right, and then again, and then we take it out. All right. Now, as I mentioned, if you need this arrangement, if you need the backing track, that's available at patreon.com/ukelikethepros or to all my platinum members over at ukelikethepros.com. So make sure to check that out. Now, I had mentioned there's a killer backing track. All right, I'm going to play just a sample with it, but I want to do the whole thing without the backing track and kind of be a little looser. But let me just play a little bit with the backing track so you can see how killer it is. All right, that was a killer backing track that, again, if you want it, all my patrons and my platinum members get it. But let's just do it now. The whole song. Intro, verse, chorus, and the outro right now with me. Are you ready? Come on, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... All right, there you go. The whole song, Let It Be, Chord Melody, Ukulele, Key of C, The Beatles. Terry Carter, You Like the Pros. How did you do? Leave that comment below. 1 to 5 on how you did with that. That's going to take some practice. Takes me some practice. Going to take you some practice as well, but you can do it. All right. Hopefully this video helped. Hopefully you got a little bit of enjoyment out of it. Don't forget, if you need anything, new ukulele, strings, accessories, the number one store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. That arrangement, the backing track, everything available to my patrons and also all my platinum members at ukelikethepros.com. So I appreciate you being here, subscribing to the channel, leaving those comments below, smashing the like button, all that stuff. This is why I do it, for you, and hopefully you got some value out of this and enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and we'll see you soon.